Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fredericksburg, or near Lebanon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Ooh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wyomissing, Sinking Spring, Womelsdorf, Wintersville, Robisonia, Burnville, Strausstown, Fairview Heights, Spring Ridge, West Lawn, Whitfield, West Wyomissing, and Wyomissing Hills. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 29. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. It may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county.